Question number 1. Tyler has run 15 miles this month. For the rest of the month, he plans to run the same number of miles each day. There are 12 days left in the month. Before the end of the month, Tyler needs to run at least 35 miles to meet his goal. Which of these inequalities describes the situation where M is the number of miles Tyler runs each day to meet his goal? There are several things that I highlighted in this problem. First is at least 35 miles. This is highlighted because Tyler needs to run at least 35 miles, so we know that the inequality symbol is greater than or equal to. Now, there are already some choices that we can eliminate based on this inequality sign. Number 1 that we can eliminate is going to be choice B. Choice B has the inequality symbol less than or equal to. So we can go ahead and cross this one out because of this reason. The second one that we can cross out is actually choice C. Now this one isn't really obvious, but if we were to rewrite this inequality, we would actually have 15 plus 12m is less than or equal to 35. And we are just rewriting this. You see how this sign over here is pointing towards the 15 plus 12m, and that's the narrow side of the inequality sign. It's still pointing towards 15 plus 12m over here. This narrow part of it is still pointing towards that segment. So we know that we correctly rewrote this, and we know that the symbol is also less than or equal to, so we're going to cross out this answer choice as well. Now we're left with A and D. Now we need to look for some of the other information that is given to us. For example, Tyler has run 15 miles this month. So he already ran 15 miles this month. And we want to know how many miles he needs to run if there are 12 days left in the month. And so answer choice D is the better answer here, because we can even identify all the different parts, right? 15 represents Tyler already ran 15 miles. And we know that there are 12 days remaining. So there are 12 days left in the month. And M, let's do a different color there. M represents the number of miles Tyler needs to run per day, every day. Answer choice A is incorrect because it's taking the amount of miles he still needs to run, multiplying that by the 12 days left, and then subtracting 15 from it. If you were to solve this inequality, you would know that M is actually less than 15. So it makes sense to put 15 in front of the 12M term to figure out how many miles he needs to run per day and how many miles are left in those 12 days.